Okay, hi everyone. First of all, I have to apologize you because my English is very bad. I know that, but I will try to explain why or how I gonna repair this GoPro Hero 5 that has been damaged badly with a direct hit in the lens. This camera is from a friend of mine from Chile. I'm from Argentina, and I already tried to repair one my Hero 5, and sadly I couldn't do that. But it just has the main chips. I think this is the video chips are burned, so I couldn't repair that. But I think the main problem with the Session GoPro is open it. Open the Session is a sealed package. It's very difficult to open, and I was searching all the web trying to find how I could open this, and I find a video from Project Blue Falcon, who sadly the maker of that video has died sadly in an accident, but he still with his video is are very useful for all of us. So thank you for that, Project Blue Falcon. And well, he tried to open the Session with several methods, and only one of them makes a success, and I learned from that. He used heat to get hot this part of the Session. So the glue that is between the case and this part go softer, and you can just pull all the electronics out of this box. That is the most difficult part of this repair intent. I hope you can learn from this, as I learned from Project Blue Falcon, and try to repair our own GoPros. This is a very expensive cam, so hope it's help you. And let's see. I gonna use the lens from my GoPro. This is the only this cam. The only problem that it has is the lens broken. So I will try to open it and replace the lens. I don't know if this lens is okay, but we're gonna try. We don't have nothing to lose here, only to learn. So let's go with this. And some tools you're gonna need are these. You need a Tor tool. For this kind of screws is a very standard tool. So we need to take off this piece. It is a replaceable piece, so there is no problem with this, but you have to take it off. And then it's very important that you keep this door open, because as you can see here, if it is closed, you can just pull out the main frame, this frame. So it had to be open so you can take it out. Okay, let's do this. So I have to find the piece to open this, to take this screw, and this is it. This is the one. The other thing that we will need are some Phillips screws to take out some of the screw inside. You're gonna see anyway. This kind of tool is very useful too, to remove the screw and to disconnect some very tiny connector. And this is very useful too. Just to see what the little things that has this cam here inside. So let's do this. It's very important that I'm gonna do that. Use a bag to put all the screw that we are gonna take out of this cam. So I'm sorry, let's use this so we don't lose them. Okay. I used to in the other repair intent I take picture of the screw and the several parts I take off from the cam to remember how they gonna interconnect, so I can build it again. Oh, I forgotten that the other thing you will need is a hot air pistol like this one. Yeah, so the idea is to get hot all that metal aluminum case, so the glue get softer. Yeah, there's several tool like this, so I think you can find some friend or something that has one of these. You have to keep in mind this is an important piece. This keep the water out of the cam, so it's important to just take care of it. There are very small parts in this cam, so you have to be very careful and be very patient. And remove it slowly. Okay, I think we are ready to start heating it up. One of the methods that I used to open the case is just using a screwdriver and just place in the tiny gap there and just make some force so it go out slowly. I use two places, this place and this place and this place, and slowly it goes out. and you have to be very careful with the hot air, so you don't damage the rubber, this rubber that has the GoPro. You only have to get hot the aluminum case, this aluminum case. Okay, let's do this. Just slowly giving heat. It's gonna get very hot, so you have to be very careful with that. Okay, I think we can make some. We can try to open it. I wanna just play it. Let's try this. Okay, I think it's going. Yeah, it's going up. Perfect. It's very hot now, so you have to be careful and don't burn yourself. But I think it's going up. Perfect. Yeah. And we're done. It is open. So we can turn off this now. Perfect. The damage to the rubber is minimal, so it's okay. Now we have to work around all this board. We have to take off all this board and get to the lens. This is the battery, and it is soldered there to this main board. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna take a picture of this screw, so then I can know where they go. Perfect. I don't know if you can see, but this plug here is very, very tiny and delicate, so you have to just pull it up and it unplug. This is how you unplug the board. Okay, next you have to take out these two screws here. So now we have to take out the battery. The battery is glued to the structure, so we only need to make some force really slowly to unplug it, to I'm sorry, to take it out, because down there is some other screw we need to take out, so we have to be very careful, very careful. Perfect. Now we have access to that part there. That is just this part, and we have to take it out. Now I have to go to this side, where there is another screw we have to take out. Okay, I think that now we are ready to take off this metal plate here. Okay, now we have the main lens here. As you can see, this is the back side of the lens. Okay, I gonna evaluate it. It's needed to take out. Oh yeah, we have to just no, we have to take it all over. We have to unplug this connector here. This is how you unplug it. Okay, there is another main connector here inside there, and there it is. This is the main board. Okay, we are gonna take out this screw from the USB port. Okay, I think yeah, perfect. This part goes out. This is like a protection for the SD card port, that's all, but it protects an a screw that we need to take out there. Perfect. And I think that with this we can pull out the SD card port. Okay, we have three main screws here. I'm gonna try to use this tool because I like one more, and this sole frame goes out. This is the most difficult one, I think. Perfect. Yes, it goes out. Okay, we are here. We now just have to remove the lens, the damaged lens, and put the other one. It has only 3 screws and I think some glue, and that's all. It came out. One, two, and 3. Yes, I think it has some glue in it. It is glued. Oh yeah. No, it has only a rubber. It has some very tiny glass there from the lens. Okay, let's put all back together. Make sure you put the connector in the right direction, but if you confuse that, don't problem, because it's you will not gonna going to put together again, so don't worry about that. Okay, we have to put together the main board again. So this is it. This is difficult. We have, but because we have to plug one connector, two, and three connectors. So it's not an easy task. I think we have to start with one of them. This one is the easiest one, I think. Perfect. Just one more, and we can call it done. This one is the most difficult one, because it is down the board, so we have to work it slowly. It's not easy at all, but you have to be very patient. I'm aligning those connectors and just push it and it plugs. Come on, we can do this. Okay, I think It is plugged, yeah. Yeah, it's done. Perfect. Okay. No, I just almost forgot. We have to plug the connector of the lens to the mainboard too. This is very important. This is the whole reason we make this repair. So we have to align it and plug it. Perfect. It just, when it plugs, it just sounds perfect. It's just a click, a perfect click. So you can use that as a reference. And then we just put the battery again. We check the wires. I think, I don't know, I think maybe I should desolder the battery, because it's inevitable to touch the board, and with the battery plugged, so I can make a short circuit with my hand. So I just realized that, but it's something to consider next time. Okay, now we have to recharge the battery and see what happens. But then we only have to just put it back and use some glue in this border here and just put it together. You can use some heat, more heat, just to seal it again. I don't recommend use this underwater again, but who knows. Okay, let's recharge it and try it and see what happens. Okay, it's charging now. As you can see, that's a good signal. I was not that lucky the last time, so let's see what happens if I turn on. Yes, we have, that's a very good signal. Perfect. There is no SD card, of course. Yes, I think this is good. So let me see if I can just pair with it. The camera, connection. Right. Perfect. I'm connected. I'm connecting with the camera. I just wanna see if I can see the video in the lens. Perfect. We got image. We got image. Yeah, it works. It works. Perfect. It works, man. Thanks God. Well, hope this video is helpful for you too. It really it's an expensive camera, so it's worth all the work we do here. Okay, thank you, and hope this is a useful video for you. Bye.